Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex here. Today I'm going to share my personal experience in order to guide you all how to breed your betta fish more easily. Before you see my video, consider to subscribe my channel and smash the notification bell greatly in order to receive my new updated video that I post every week. I know the breeding process for the betta fish is much more difficult, although me also pay a lot of money or try and error for myself. Until now, I success a bit, but I cannot say I am expert in this field. Just my personal experience. Today, I will guide you all step by step before you all desire to breed your betta fish. The step number one, you need to pairing your betta fish. What is the pairing process? Pairing process is also known as the copulation process. The male betta fish will be flaring to the female betta fish and make them have the aggressive behavior. This pairing process is much more crucial because if you fail to pairing, that means your entire breeding process will not occur. Second step, you need to prepare a few material in order to make sure your breeding process is run smoothly. The material include is the widened basins and then the hollow mineral bottle, the plastic paper, and either the polystyrene cup and then cellophane tips. How was the step was set out the breeding environment? First, you need to use the old stock water add to your basins. Second, you can attach the cellophane tips on the polystyrene cup or the plastic paper at the edge and the surface of the water in order to facilitate the male betta fish to build its bubble nest. And then you need to put a hollow plastic bottle, which means you cut the top and bottom and make it hollow, and you put the female betta fish inside of the center. That will enable the male betta fish to flare towards the female. The third step, you need to make sure you give the high quality foods to your betta fish. Why I always mention you need to give your betta fish high quality food? Because we don't want the betta fish suffer any sick or disease during the breeding process. It will quite pity if your breeding process suddenly suffer disease toward the betta fish. The breeding process will suddenly terminate. So I will mention that give your betta fish high quality food. One day before you start the breeding process, you need to
betta fish
eat enough, and then after the half an hour you can start to take out the hollow plastic tube and make them to copulation or breeding. And the third method I want to mention that you need to reduce the water disturbance. This is quite crucial step. If any disturbance toward the water surface, it will destroy the bubble nest, and then it would also leading the male betta fish stress, and they will start to eat the egg spawned by the female betta fish. Hopefully you guys understand this step. Try to cover the betta fish or the basins in the dark and safety environment, but don't cover entire, if you cover entire, no oxygen, and then the fish will die. Alright, the number 4 method is after the breeding process is successful 1 to 2 days, you need to take out the female betta fish. Why? Because once the breeding process is finished, the male betta fish will start to create the territory area, and then will start to chase the female and get away from their territory area. Catch out your female betta fish immediately in order to reduce any fighting, any wound on the female betta fish. And then after a 5 day or 4 day ago, the eggs start to transform into the baby betta fish. In this moment, you also want to take care is you cannot remove the male betta fish because they are still young. They cannot swim towards the water and start to seeking for the foods. You also need to make your male betta fish in the water basin. After 1 week, you can pick out the male betta fish, and then you start to feed your baby betta fish in a small foods. What is the small foods such as the baby shrimp or daphnia? These two foods will greatly boost your baby betta fish in the much more bigger size. If you guys interested, then I will post a video how to identify the copulation process of the betta fish, success or failure. Hopefully you guys share my video to the fish lover or any friends you want to share. And if you guys feel my video help you a lot or anything I talk wrongly, just comment below and give a thumb up to me. Make me motivation to make more videos to teach you all how to breed any kind of fish, but hopefully the fish that you all request that I know. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Good luck.